Good morning, guys. Another one of those laser cut files that I converted to a STL. Obviously a snail. I think I could have made it a little bit thicker. Ooh. Oh, they're a bit close together. Yeah, those gaps look big enough. Can I do that with one hand? Go on. In you go. Yeah, they're a little bit loose. That's not going to matter for this particular one. I'd also expected the blue to run out. So I'd actually joined it to that little bit of orange. But it didn't quite use it. Right, well, I'll put that together just so we can see it. That was simple enough. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.